Hello everyone, so welcome back. Today we are having another interesting problem to solve. Okay, so if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon for more programming tutorials like this. So with this, let's start our video. So we have wrote our understanding of this problem, what we get in summary from this problem. So we just need to take an integer n from the user, and then our task is to print all the odd numbers from 1 to n. Okay, now to solve this problem, we have wrote our approach. Okay, so what we need to do in our programming, first we will take an integer n from the user, then we will use a loop. Here you can use while loop or for loop as per your choice, and then inside that loop we will check if that number is odd, and if we found that the number is odd, then we will print that number. It's that simple. So let's write our code for this. Okay, so we have wrote our program to solve this. So basically, first we are taking input from the user, then we have used this for loop, which is ranging from 1 to n. Okay, and after this we are checking if this number is basically odd number or not. So we will check if we divide the number by 2, and if we are getting the result which is not equals to 0, then it's an odd number. If this is the case, we will print that number, and that's it. So let's run this and see what output we are getting. So let's take the input 5, and in that scenario we will get 135 as an output. So 5, and we are getting 135. Let's input 10, and we are getting 13579. So 10, and we are getting 13579. Okay, now let's try to optimize it a bit more. So what optimization we can do here? Okay, now here we know that the first odd number is 1. Okay, and we are ranging till n plus 1. Now instead of ranging by one number, what we can do, we can directly jump into another odd number. How we do that? So we will, if we add basically 2 to this one, so we will get another odd number. So if we do 1 plus 2, we will get 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. So we are getting all odd numbers, and we can skip this if part, right? So let's write that optimize approach. Okay, so we have took the input from the user, then we ranges from 1 to n like we did before. Now instead of going to from 1 to 2, we are just jumping 2 steps ahead, so we will get 3. Okay, and then we are printing the result. So let's run this and write 5. So we are getting 135, which is correct. Now let's give 10, and we are getting this 13579. Okay, so this is same as above. Okay, so let's recap. So what we are doing here, first we understood the problem. We get to know that we need to take a user integer n, and we need to print odd numbers from 1 to n. Okay, then we wrote our approach like this. We wrote the code for that. We get some output, which is the expected output. We try to optimize it. We wrote another optimized code, and we get the same output. So this is what we have done here to solve this problem. Now we have successfully solved this problem. Feel free to run these Python script on your machine and experiment with different values of n. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and do not forget to comment and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.